Ganttic, Resource Management and Schedule Maker. Ganttic is a tool for scheduling companies' resources, staff members, vehicles, equipment, and production lines and facilities. It has unique features to group your everyday tasks by projects or resource groups. It enables you to get a visual overview about what has happened in your company, what's in the progress of happening right now, and what the future may entail. What Ganttic is best used for is visual planning. Ganttic is all about visual planning. They aim for the big picture, and the easiest way of doing that is color coding, making it easier to see the different projects and tasks. There is also the click and drag release to create a task and the drag and drop to reschedule. The multi-project resource scheduling, meaning you are able to share your resources between multiple projects, view specific tasks by projects, and being able to track project process. Resource utilization, getting the maximum for your resources with the utilization tracking. Instant calculation of resource utilization for a visible time range, and are able to track your resource workload over time with utilization charts. This is my home screen snapshot of Ganttic. When I first set up Ganttic, I had the idea that I would be using it to organize these car leads that we would get through fax, hoping I would be able to input the customer's information in the system and able to track the amount of calls and appointments made. So I started to put the employee's name and information in, but I quickly realized that doing this would be very difficult with Ganttic. Ganttic does not let you schedule anything that's less than an hour long, so I found this very difficult to use this in my job. So instead I put in some of my personal tasks that need a significant amount of time in my schedule. This is when I realized what Ganttic is not. Ganttic is not an ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning System. An ERP system includes much more functionality, like sales, purchases, inventory systems, accounting, and being able to put a specific customer's information in the system. Ganttic just does scheduling. It is not a complex project management software, although it does have good management capabilities. There are 3 types of user rights in Ganttic: administrator, limited user, and viewer. The administrator has all the rights to create, modify, or delete anything. The limited user can't add, modify, or add other users. They are only able to modify their own user data, such as name, password, and contact data. The viewer has practically no rights. All he or she can do is view other people's work and print out reports. The following is a general pricing for Ganttic, with the exception of the 30-day free pro trial, which is what I'm using now. And finally, the pros and cons of Ganttic. The pros include it's quick and easy to use. There's an unlimited amount of people who are able to work on one project at a time, and you can access the account anywhere where there is internet available. The cons: you are unable to manage purchases, inventory systems. You cannot schedule in something that is less than an hour long, and it's only good for long projects at a time. It's not very practical for a college student, nor is there a downloadable app available on the App Store. The end.